how you can connect your Google Drive to n8n. In this video, I'll show exactly how you can do it. So, let's get started. First, open n8n and add a new node. In the search bar, type Google Drive and click on it. Then, pick an action like List File or Create Folder, just to test it. Now, go to your browser and open this website, console.cloud.google.com. Here, we will set up a new project for Google Drive. Click on the Project drop-down and choose New Project. Give your project a name like G Drive Test, then click Create. After that, click Select Project to open it. Next, type Google Drive API in the top search bar and click on it. On that page, click Enable to turn on the API for your project. Now, click Create Credentials. Choose Google Drive API, pick User Data and click Next. Name your app, choose your email, and click Save and Continue. If you see a page with scopes, scroll down and click Update to move on. Now, pick Web Application as the app type and give it a name. Go back to n8n, click on your Google Drive node and copy the OAuth redirect URL. Paste this URL back in the setup page under Authorized Redirect URIs, then click Create. You'll now see your client ID and client secret. Copy both of them and go back to n8n, paste them in the right spots in your node settings. Now, click Sign in with Google, choose the same email you used, click Continue and allow the permissions. Once done, it will say Connection Successful. You can close that window, then click Test in n8n. If everything works, it will say Node executed successfully. And that's it. That's how you can connect your Google Drive to n8n.